Welcome to Studio Forsyth. I'm Kelly Whitmire. This week, Pinecrest Academy hosted a special camp on drones, and Studio Forsyth was there to check it out. Take a look.
Drobots is a national company based out of Baltimore. We offer STEM camps. Basically, we come into schools with all the drones, all the obstacles, curriculum for a whole week that focuses on physics, problem solving, team building, and obviously flying lots of different kinds of drones. So Monday you're coming in, just intro to kind of how to use the controls, safety, battery, how to use batteries safely. From there we get into more complex courses. We give them basically a chance to fly. There are parrot mamba drones, and we also have Sphero rolling drones, so those are very different types of skills. Some of the courses require them to stop and program. We use Tinker programming. Some of them are live flown, so they're flying. And as the week goes on, the courses get more complex, take longer. An average activity takes about an hour to complete. We're at drobotscompany.com, and we're always looking to make contacts. We bring all the drones, we bring all the instructors. We just need campers. So we would absolutely love to grow and work at your school next summer.
It was challenging, but it was really, really fun. And I felt like I've improved a lot. It was just a fun experience. I got new friends and just good experience. Learned some too. I really liked the instructors. I got to talk with them a lot. I made some new friends with the kids, like I said before, but I also made some new friends with the instructors.
That's it for today's show. From all of us here at Forsyth County News, have a great weekend, and we'll see you back Monday on Studio Forsyth.